Over to
We
you.
are highly obliged and thankful to you that you gave your precious time. I better know about who you are. And today, if I'm doing my transformation, you are one of the greatest source of inspiration. So
My pleasure, sir.
I request everyone kindly unmute yourself, and if you would like to share your experience, you are most welcome. प्रीति जी अपना एक्सपीरियंस लिख रही हैं. I request kindly unmute yourself and kindly speak out. Yes, Jitendra ma'am.
First of all, I would like to say it's really, really awesome because this breathing exercise is very important, and I'm also feeling relaxed after this. Otherwise, I used to do this Kapalbhati and Lom Vilom, these yoga exercises I am doing on regular basis, and this is really good, and I'm feeling awesome after this. And thanks to Daljit Rana sir for this session, and to Arjun Kaur sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And see, parents and teachers are also there. I request some parents, if you would like to speak something. My worthy teachers are also there. Bindu ma'am, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there only. I was throughout the session.
How is the
there.
Josh? How is the Josh?
So I would just like to thank you and Arjun Kaur sir, because one thing I feel is Sunday wouldn't have been a better, it wouldn't have had a better start the way it has started today. So
Yes.
I think all the very best to Arjun Kaur sir, and he should continue doing his good work. And thank you to you, because you are instrumental in getting him. And today here, and all the parents and all the teachers, they have got the benefit. So, and I'm feeling very relaxed. You can see that you can just make out from my voice also there's a lot of energy. So early morning energy that counts, and I think we are going to do a lot of work today. Full day
You are
Sunday is
always
going to
full
be
of
very
energy.
productive, very productive. Thank you once again. Thank you for giving us an invite, and I would request that if such sessions are held in your school, please make us a part of it.
Yes, ma'am. From next time, always.
Yeah, it is about all sharing and growing. It is about all
And
sharing.
apart from that, I would like to add one more thing here. Sorry for interruption, Daljit sir. Because this is, as we know, wave 3 is coming, and जैसा कि हम सभी को समझ आ रहा है कि wave 3 बच्चों के लिए थोड़ी सी harmful हो सकती है. So without delaying, because मैंने और हम सभी लोगों ने मिलके लाइफ जोन ऑफ फैमिली एंड मैंने इनिशिएटिव लिया है कि हम सभी लोग जितने ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों को इस ब्रीथिंग का बेनिफिट दे सके. सो अगर आप लोग इन फ्यूचर कोई भी ऐसा अपने एंड पे इनिशिएटिव बच्चों के लिए अपने लेना चाहते हैं या अपने स्कूल के लिए लेना चाहते हैं, तो यू कैन रीच आउट टू आइदर दलजीत सर और आइदर मी एज वेल. वी आर ऑलवेज हियर फॉर चिल्ड्रन. We are always here for children.
We'll be more than happy for that. Thank you.
That's great, Arjun sir.
Yeah, Daljit sir, Arjun sir, I also want this kind of session for my school also, as Daljit sir has already introduced my name and school name. I am Jitendra Kaur from Nishan Public School, Karnal. So I want the same session for my students as well, because I'm just working on this thing on Saturday. Every Saturday I have fun club activity in which I have exercise also. So this yoga session is there, and I want this breathing exercise also. So if you can spare some time from my school also, it will
sure,
be
we can connect on that. Yeah, sure. So Daljit sir can share my number with you, or you can directly then connect.
Yes,
then
sir. Yes,
we
sir.
can arrange for
Sure,
that.
sir. Sure.
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Is there anyone who would like to share his or her experience?
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Hi, sir. Hi. Good morning. How are you, Sanjay sir?
This is Sanjay Thakur, Principal NCC School, Ambala.
Great to see you, sir.
I joined your show quite early, but as today, since being a Sunday, I got up late.
Right,
and
sir.
when Vinod sir was ringing me up to introduce myself, so I was not in proper costume. So I took time. So just now I am giving my introduction, and it's very nice. The way
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir.
it is very nice, and he seems to be very much expert in this all. And as ma'am said that same. I also want him to conduct one session for my school as well. If you can please request him on my behalf, and I
Yes, sir.
also
Yes, sir.
I am requesting
Definitely,
Arjun Ghosh.
personally, I will request to Arjun Gaur sir. See, he is international life coach, but somehow he is doing everything for his country. So
Yes,
I'm
yes,
grateful to
I
all
would
of you that
particularly like to
all
thank
we
him
are
also.
thinking about our kids.
I would particularly like to thank him the way he appreciated all the teachers and the principals, and the same. You know very well, in this challenging time, we want this kind of encouragement. So
Right, sir.
hats off to him, and I would like to connect to him later on, or please, if you can please give his number to me.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, it's a great
Thank you.
initiative and great going. Thanks.
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir. Thank you. Nice connecting.
Okay.
Yes, worthy teachers, parents, and students, would you like to say something?
Good morning.
Hi, Kiran ma'am. Good morning. How is your
Good morning.
experience?
Yes, sir. It's a wonderful and amazing session, sir. मैं इतने सेशन अटेंड करती हूँ डेली एक्चुअली जो मेरे एक्सरसाइज सेशन होते हैं, लेकिन आज मुझे लग रहा है कि पता नहीं मैं इतनी पावरफुल महसूस कर रही हूँ जैसे कि पूरा कोई ऑक्सीजन का सिलेंडर आपके अंदर चला गया कि इतनी ब्रीथिंग में रियली मैं इतना ग्रेट महसूस कर रही हूँ। आज मेरा उधर सेशन था, लेकिन वो मैंने सेशन छोड़ा, मुझे था कि शायद इसमें कुछ नया हो। वाकया ही कि ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग सेशन था। थैंक यू अर्जुन सर एंड थैंक यू दलजीत सर कि आपने ऐसा
किरण मैम, आप अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताएं। किरण मैम, आप अपने बारे में भी बताएं।
मैं ये सर कि मैं एक फैकल्टी मेंबर हूँ सिटी की। मुझे कुछ हार्ट प्रॉब्लम थी और मैंने लास्ट ईयर पेंडेमिक के बीच में मैंने एक किसी कंपनी के साथ मैं जुड़ी और उनका न्यूट्रिशन लेना शुरू किया और साथ में उनकी एक्सरसाइज एंड डेली उनके जो वर्कआउट होते थे वो डेली मैं कर रही हूँ मॉर्निंग एंड इवनिंग। लेकिन आज का सेशन मुझे बहुत ही वंडरफुल लगा और मैं सोच रही हूँ कि ऐसे सेशन अटेंड करके मैं उनको भी कुछ आगे जो अपने सेशन में कुछ सिखा सकूं उनको। मैं यही सोच रही थी बैठी। तो मेरे ये बहुत अमेजिंग है कि मैं और मेरी हेल्थ इतनी इम्प्रूव हुई है इससे। डेली वर्क मैं सबसे यही कहूंगी कि डेली वर्कआउट जरूर करिए, अपनी ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज करिए और अपने आप में जितनी एनर्जी आती है वो अपने आप को आप इतना पॉजिटिव महसूस करते हो। ये चीज मैंने खुद अपने आप में देखी है कि मैं इतनी पॉजिटिव हुई हूँ, हेल्थ वाइज इतनी ठीक हुई हूँ। और ये सबके आजकल के माहौल के लिए सबके लिए ये अच्छा है कि जितना भी आप अपने आप को पॉजिटिव कर सको और अपनी हेल्थ को ठीक कर सको। थैंक यू दलजीत सर एंड थैंक यू अर्जुन सर।
Hats off you, ma'am. Yes, any teacher, any student, any parent?
Daljit sir, good morning.
Hi ma'am, good morning.
I am Archana Patwal from APS Clementown.
Hi ma'am, great morning ma'am.
Great morning to you as well. I would like to thank first of all our principal Bindu Sharma ma'am for having to given us the link right in the morning so that we could have an access to such a great session. Thank you ma'am.
Yeah.
And Jaldeep sir, to you for conducting, and to Arjun sir for making it so beautiful and so enriching. Me and my daughter have been attending the session and she would also like to say her thanks to you.
We are highly obliged ma'am, and Bindu ma'am is like my mentor.
Oh, thank you. I think we mutually learn from each other.
Thank you so much, sir. God bless.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you so much. Yes, any teachers, students, my dear friends, we should take initiatives and we should come forward. This is the right time, what we have learned, and share our experience with each other. देखो, सेशन ज्वाइन करना बहुत इजी है, बट सेशन ज्वाइन करके टू शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस वो उससे भी ज्यादा इजी है. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरीवन काइंडली कम फॉरवर्ड एंड शेयर योर एक्सपीरियंस.
गुड मॉर्निंग सर. गुड मॉर्निंग अर्जुन सर. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. सर, ये सेशन इतना अच्छा था कि मतलब कि इतनी स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ में बहुत ही माइंड को इतना काम कर रहा है कि
May I know who's there?
सर, इट्स प्रिया पासी फ्रॉम सिटी पब्लिक स्कूल.
ओके प्रिया मैम.
हाँ जी सर. थैंक यू सर, आपने इतना इनिशिएटिव लिया कि हम इनका पार्ट बनाया. थैंक्स अ लॉट अर्जुन सर. आप ऐसे ही अपने जो सेशन है करते रहिए और हमें अपने साथ जोड़े रखिए, जिससे कि आज की जो स्ट्रेसफुल लाइफ है बहुत अच्छे से हमारी लाइफ हो सके। और हमारा जो ब्रीदिंग सेशन आज आपने करवाया ये बहुत वेरी वंडरफुल सर सेशन। थैंक यू सर, थैंक्स अ लॉट एवरीवन।
Thank you everyone. So Arjun sir, would you like to say something?